This was a cool build. It was one of those where the customer comes up with a unique concept, and the whole idea on this one was they wanted to make it so it was retail friendly because it's going to be a mobile optometry unit. And so you would think that the standard sliding glass door, we're like, oh yeah, we'll just put a sliding glass door in there, we can get it from your any building store. Well, you forget immediately that the round curves 86 that idea real quick. So let me take you inside, we'll show you what we got. So the whole concept was, it's an Airstream, they wanted the vintage look, but we needed to make it so that it was very welcoming when they came in. So what we did is we made it so this door pops open. So it stays like this, and you can see we built these custom glass. We actually used 3/4 inch shower glass and made it so that you have this beautiful entrance where people can come in, so it's more inviting. And it doesn't just look like you're walking into a trailer, it's kind of like you're walking into a, almost like a retail store in a way. So we created this little ramp system to walk in, stores underneath. Come on in, we'll take a look at it. Up front here, they wanted a little seating area so people can wait. This is a little reception desk that the person can hang out. And when they come back here, this is where the exam room is going to be. And again, one of the other challenges we faced is they came to install the equipment, and the equipment mounts to the wall. Well, the walls are aluminum and they're very thin, so there's not really much to anchor into this 300-pound equipment. So the other challenge was too is the wall was curved, so the equipment was sitting off at an angle. So we had to build this out of aluminum, cover it with wood, so we get a flat surface. And then they just wanted a lot of cabinet space for storage, fridge, little sink. Another cool thing we did different on this is this drop ceiling, which I thought was a good concept. A lot of times in these Airstreams, they just start to look, very tin canish with all the different seams. And so we wanted to break it up and bring more of the natural wood in. So we did this drop ceiling, put all of our lights in there, put them up on a little dimmer switch so they can adjust for when the patient's in here, because I guess they need certain levels of light when they're doing the exams. Desk here, these all pop up. This is what I'm most excited about, was coming up with this concept. And so you can see we had to set it off to make it so that we can get the height that we needed. And I guess this was 78 inches out. And then we just built a frame around it out of aluminum, tied into the existing structure, and then mounted this 3/4 inch glass and had the rollers on. And it really just gives it a nice slick look. This is the glass display. So they wanted something that they can, customer can come in, pick out glasses. So it's small, but it's very quaint and very efficient and functional, which is what they wanted.